morning, student. I Kailash Chandra from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapit, Mount Abu. Welcome in my maths class. Student, today we are starting a new chapter, differential equation in mathematics. According to what is the differential equation? The differential equation is the equation which that are differential. That is the differentiate with functions. A function will differentiate many times. Suppose that one is equation is given to you, that is the dy by dx plus y equal to 0. dy by dx plus y equal to 0. That is the single order differential equation. Okay. If we denote this equation d2y by dx square plus 2x dy by dx is also equal to constant c. This is also a second order differential equation. So this type of equations we call differential equation. So first of all, the differential equation we represent first of all the degree and order. Suppose your differential equation is going to that d2y upon dx square whole power 2 plus dy by dx whole power 5 plus y4 equal to 0. Suppose you have to given this type of differential equation and we want to find the differential equation that is the order and degree. So first of all, you clearly see that what is the order. That means how many maximum time differentiate. Maximum time differentiate how many times. That's time the single time differentiate, but the first time differentiate, and that one is a second time differentiate. So what is the order? So order of this differential equation is 2, because here is 2 time differentiate, that's the function of y. And second time is what is degree. What is degree? And degree is the maximum power of the higher order. The higher order is twice. 2 times the order is 2. So maximum power is also 2. So here is also degree is 2. But many times the differential equation is going to that is the d3y upon dx cube whole power 2 plus log of d2y upon dx square plus y cube equal to 0. Maximum time, mostly that type of differential equation. This is also differential equation because here the differentiate how many times? There is the 3 times differentiate is also. So here is a differentiate, this equation differentiate and order is 3. Here is order is defined, that is the 3 times, but here a degree, because a degree of this differential equation we know that is the 2. That is the maximum power. Here is 1 and that is 2. The maximum power is 2, but because the differentiation is part of the logarithms, is a log x, it is a log x, so we cannot define the degree. Okay, we cannot define the degree. So here order is also 3, but degree is not defined. Okay, it is called not defined. ND means not defined. Suppose your differential equation is given to you d4y upon dx4 whole power 5 plus sine d3y upon dx cube plus dy upon dx to the power 4 plus y equal to 0. Suppose this type of differentiate up you have to given. But maximum order is 1, 3 and that's the 4. So order we can easily define. That is the 4. But here the degree is not defined. That is the ND. Not defined. Why? Because here the order of this differential equation is the theta. If the differential equation order is given to in the theta form, then we cannot define the degree. So degree mostly not defined. Order is also defined in the differential equation. I hope you understood what is the order and degree. Okay. Now student, there is a second problem. What is the problem? The problem is going to that. The problem is going to that. This is the form, that is the function, and that one is the solution. So we want to prove that that solution is the given function. Okay, that one is solution of the given function. Okay, so we have to prove that is the solution is correct or not. So first of all, our question is given y is equal to e to the power x plus 1. Y is equal to e to the power x plus 1. So if we differentiate with respect to x, so we get y dash, and y dash e raised to power x plus 0. We know that is the differentiation of e raised to power x equal to e raised to power x. So y dash is equal to e to the power x, and again we want to second time differentiate. So second time differentiate y dash is differentiate is y double dash, and e to the power x is again e to the power x. This one is equation number first, that is second, and that is third. If we subtracted equation third minus 2, equation second by third, if we subtracted, then we get, what will we get? Y double dash minus y dash e to the power x minus e to the power x is equal to 0. So here we clearly prove that is the given solution. Y double dash minus y dash equals to 0. Clearly proved. Okay student, we already proved that is also it's a solution of the given function. Now we have to given another question, y is equal to x sin x. The question is going to you, that is the y is equal to x sin x, and your function, what is the solution? It's a solution is also given to you. What is the solution given? Solution is given to you by x y dash. X y dash is equal to y plus x under root x square minus y square. Again we can x y dash is equal to y plus x under root of x square minus y square. Is it the solution is true or false? So we can prove easily. So first of all we take a question. The question is y is equal to x sin x. So here I given first order differential equation. So we want to find the first time differentiate. So x y dash, the differentiation of y with respect to x, that is the y dash, and y dash here the x sin x, that means a product function. If it is a product function and using the product, that is the x as it is, and sin x differentiation is cos x plus sin x as it is, and x equals to 1. Okay, because in the solution here x is multiplied, so we multiplied both sides by x. So here we get x y dash is equal to x square dot cos x plus x sin x. Okay, so here a question is first equation, y is equal to x sin x. So here we get x sin x. So here x y dash equals to x square and cos x plus x sin x. We can easily prove that the y, and cos x we can write under root of 1 minus sin square x, under root of 1 minus sin square x plus 1. And what is the sin x value? Sin x value is y upon x from equation number first, that is the y upon x. So here we put the values x y dash is equal to x square 1 minus y square upon x square plus 1. If we taking an LCM, then we get under root of x square minus y square divided by only x plus y. X and x will cancel out. So here we get the answer is x y dash is equal to x and under root of x square minus y square plus y. So here we clearly see that is the solution is the real solution of the given function. Okay student, I hope you understood the whole processing. Okay, thank you.